Baseball is not just a game, it's a part of many people's lives. There were some players who made history on the field, but sadly, they are no longer with us today. In this video, we will see some famous baseball players, their birth year, their death year, and how long they lived. Watch till the end because some causes of death may truly shock you. Tommy Hanson. He died at the age of 29 due to organ failure. Lyman Bostock. He passed away at just 28 years old after being shot and killed. Willard Hertzberg. He died at the age of 29 by suicide. Harry Aganis. He passed away at 26 years old due to pulmonary embolism. Thurman Munson. He died at the age of 32 in a plane crash. Al Montgomery. He passed away at only 22 years old in an automobile accident. Howie Fox. He died at 34 years old due to stabbing homicide. Steve Mako. He passed away at 27 years old because of testicular cancer. Teeny Bonham. He died at 36 years old from appendicitis. Tom Gastel. He passed away at 24 years old in a plane crash. Steve Olin. He died at 28 years old in a boat accident. Herb Gorman. He passed away at 29 years old due to cardiac arrest. Charlie Pitt. He died at 27 years old in a plane crash. Cliff Young. He passed away at 29 years old in an automobile accident. Dixie Howell. He died at 40 years old due to a heart attack. Jay Dull. He passed away at only 20 years old in a car accident. William Suero. He died at 29 years old in a car crash. Kane Hubbs. He passed away at 23 years old in a plane crash. Walt Bond. He died at 28 years old due to leukemia. Mike Sharpson. He passed away at 35 years old in an automobile accident. Jim Umbricht. He died at 34 years old from malignant melanoma. Nestora Chavez. He passed away at 22 years old in a plane crash. John Leroy. He died at 26 years old from heart failure and brain aneurysm. Dick Wantz. He passed away at 27 years old due to an inoperable brain tumor. Paul Edmondson. He died at 27 years old in an automobile crash. Mike Durr. He passed away at 26 years old in a car accident. Miguel Fuentes. He died at 24 years old due to gunshot. Don Wilson. He passed away at 29 years old from carbon monoxide poisoning. Daryl Kyle. He died at 33 years old due to a heart attack. Herman Hill. He passed away at 25 years old after drowning. Bob Moose. He died at 29 years old in an automobile crash. Steve Becquerel. He passed away at 23 years old due to Africa-related complication. Roberto Clemente. He died at 38 years old in a plane crash. Danny Thompson. He passed away at 29 years old from leukemia. Greg Hallman. He died at 24 years old after being stabbed. Chico Ruiz. He passed away at 34 years old in an automobile accident. Danny Frisella. He died at 31 years old in a dune buggy crash. Rosman Garcia. He passed away at 32 years old in a car crash. Mike Miley. He died at 24 years old in an automobile accident. Francisco Barrios. He passed away at 29 years old due to a heart attack. Oscar Taveras, he died at 20 years old in an automobile crash. Josh Hancock, he passed away at 29 years old in a car accident. Joe Disha, he died at 27 years old in a car crash. Andujar Sedeno, he passed away at 31 years old in a car accident. Joe Kennedy, he died at 28 years old due to heart disease. Bo Diaz, he passed away at 37 years old after being crashed by a satellite dish. Miguel del Toro, he died at 29 years old in a car accident. Jeremy Gonzalez, he passed away at 33 years old after being struck by lightning. Tim Cruise, he died at 32 years old in a boat accident. Darnell Stenson, he passed away at 25 years old after being shot. Nick Adenhurt, he died at 22 years old after being hit by a drunk driver. Jose Aliva, he passed away at 26 years old in a car crash. Mario Encarnacion, he died at 30 years old due to a congenital disorder. Jose Lima, he passed away at 37 years old due to a heart attack. Kenny Robinson, he died at 30 years old in an automobile crash. Corey Liddell, he passed away at 34 years old in a plane crash.